So first of all, you need to know accounting equation. If you don't know accounting equation, you cannot calculate capital. So here we have assets and liabilities. These are mixed up, jumbled up. So you know there are two types of assets. One is current asset and the other one is non-current asset or fixed asset, whatever you call. Same thing, two types of liabilities, current liabilities and non-current liabilities. Here current asset, current liabilities, non-current asset, non-current liabilities. Everything is given here. Some of you are confused when you calculate capital in exam. Which asset should I include? Current asset or non-current asset? Or which liability should you include to calculate capital? Current liability or non-current liability? So don't forget, to calculate capital, you have to include all types of assets and liabilities, whatever it is, current or non-current, doesn't matter. If you think that this is your asset or liability, you have to take it to extract your capital in exam. First of all, we will find out our assets from here. So bank overdraft, no, it is not an asset. So here cash, it is an asset. Okay, so let us write here assets equal to, so here cash is $10,000. Okay, so we will write here $10,000. Okay, then we have here accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is also called trade receivables. Okay, same thing, all debtors. Okay, so here it is $3,000. So we will write here, we'll add this $3,000 here. Then what do you have? Accounts payable, it is not an asset. Then we have here equipment. Equipment is a fixed asset or non-current asset. Whatever, we have to take it. So here it is $17,000. So plus $17,000. Okay, then what do you have? Loan, it is a liability, will not take it. Then we have here furnitures. What is it? It is $7,500. Okay, so it is a fixed asset or non-current asset. So let us add this here, $7,500. Okay, then we have here inventory. Inventory is a current asset. Okay, so we have to include this one as well. So it is here $9,000. Okay, so no more. These are 5 items we have assets. Okay, so now if we add this all 5 amounts, 10,000 plus 3,000 equal to 13,000 plus 17,000 equal to 30,000 plus 7,500 equal to 37,500 plus 9,000. How much? It is $46,500. This is our total asset. Okay, so don't forget, you don't have to classify here current asset or non-current asset. No, you have to take all types of asset, okay, to calculate your capital. Then we will figure out our liabilities. Okay, so let us write here liability is equal to, so here first one, bank overdraft. Yes, it is our liability. Okay, so what type of liability it is? Yes, it is a current liability. So let us write here plus $6,000. Okay, then what you have? We have taken cash, accounts receivable. Now accounts payable means trade payables. Okay, it is also a current liability. Okay, so let us take this amount. It is here $1,600. So plus $1,600. Okay, then here we have loan. Loan is a non-current liability. Okay, if it is taken for more than 1 year. Okay, great. So here loan will be $8,000. So let us write here plus $8,000. Okay. So that's all we have, no more liabilities. So we had here 2 current liabilities and 1 non-current liabilities. Okay. Now if we add these 3 amounts, what we have? We have here $15,600. Okay. So we calculated our assets and liabilities. Now what to do? Now we need to know accounting equation. Okay. So already you know it is very simple. Accounting equation equal to what? Asset equal to capital plus liability. Okay. So let us write here accounting equation. Assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Okay. So we also can say or liabilities equal to what? Assets minus capital. Same thing. Okay. Or we can say capital equal to what? Assets minus liabilities. Okay, so this is our accounting equation. So don't forget this equation is very important. Whenever you have question like calculate capital or calculate asset or calculate liability, in this case you must need to know this accounting equation. Okay, if you know this equation, it will be very easy for you to find out asset, liability or capital, whatever. So here our question is how to calculate capital. Okay, we will calculate here capital. So let us apply this formula here. Capital equal to assets minus liabilities. Okay, now let us put the value here. So we already calculated asset, which is $46,500. Okay, so let us write here $46,500. Okay, we also calculated our total liabilities, which is $15,600. So let us write here $15,600. Okay, now if we subtract $15,600 from $46,500, what we have? Yes, if we say it is $30,900, you are absolutely correct.